Hello everyone, I am Rajkiran Marathe, and our today's video topic is the difference between thread scheduler and the daemon thread in the Java programming language. Thread is a concept which comes under the topic multi-threading. A thread is used to perform parallel execution in the Java. Example, while rendering screen, your program is also downloading the data from the internet in the background. There are two types of thread in the Java programming language. First one is a thread scheduler, and second one is a daemon thread. Both of which can use to implement parallel processing in Java depending upon the priority and importance of the task. The main difference between the user thread and the daemon thread is that your Java program will not finish execution until one of the user thread is live. JVM will wait for all the active user thread to finish their execution before it shut down itself. On the other hand, daemon thread doesn't get that preference. JVM will exit and close the Java program even if there is a daemon thread running in the background. JVM doesn't wait for a daemon thread to finish, but it waits for the user thread. So for one of the main difference is that the JVM will not wait for daemon thread to finish its task, but it will waits for a active user thread. For example, one might have noticed this behavior while running a Java program in the NetBeans, that even if the main thread has finished, the top left down button is still red, showing that Java program is still running. This is due to an user thread spawned from the main thread, but with the main thread, but don't see that red dot in the NetBeans. Then thread priority. User threads are a highly priority as compared to the daemon thread. Means they don't get CPU as easily as a user thread can get. Then the creation of thread. User thread is usually created by the application for execution some tasks concurrently. On the other hand, daemon thread is mostly created by the JVM, like for some garbage collection job. Then the termination of thread. JVM will force a daemon thread to terminate it. All user thread have finished their execution, but the user thread is closed. User thread is closed by application or itself. The user thread can keep running by JVM running, but the daemon thread cannot keep running by the JVM. This is the more critical difference between thread and the thread scheduler and the daemon thread. Then the uses. The daemon threads are not used for a critical task. Any important task is done by the thread scheduler. Daemon threads are useful for background supporting tasks such as a garbage collection, realizing memory of an unused object, and removing unwanted entries from the caches. So thank you so much. That's all about what is a thread scheduler and the daemon thread in the Java programming language.